Come on, Raph. You'd love Borderlands. You like Diablo, don't you?
Oh, you mean it's a point-and-click hack and slash, top-down?
No, I mean randomly generated loot and dungeons.
Diablo 2 does not have randomly generated dungeons. It is a perfectly crafted masterpiece beyond our comprehension. It's an incredibly complex, scripted experience.
No, it's completely random.
I just have a shit memory is all. I need to be alone for a moment.
Diablo 2 had destroyed the boy's sense of geography. Every day he'd walk down every single street on his way to school, not allowing his memory or the directions other people give to hasten his way.
Hey, excuse me, do you know where...
No!
He drew maps of his journey and then threw them away each time he came home, even if he wasn't home. The most difficult of all came to remembering where all the items were dropped in the dungeons of IGA.
Excuse me, where's the eggs? I'm the fucking convenience store worker. Oh, okay. Thanks.
Mysteries lurked around every corner. Eventually, with enough runs through, the boy commits to memory the terrain and the items dropped.
Excuse me? Can you point to where the panettone is? We don't sell that thing. I came here every day this past December, and it was in this shop. Oh yeah, that's a Christmas thing. This is March. Huh. Well, Merry Patrick's Day.
Damn you! You maniacs! You patched it all up! Damn you! Damn you all to buggery!
Hey, Raph. It's nearly night time. Where were you?
Oh crap! That means there's only 10 minutes till the Stout Charles arrive!